Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be going to make card components of our website, something like this. First of all, Merry Christmas to everyone. We will make some cards like this, which will show on the top. So what we will do is just head into our HTML CSS. But first of all, I need to make you understand what all is happening here. I think I am forgot to tell you. So what this does, first of all, this just we are importing a font family from Google Fonts. Now we star elements means it will target all the tags, and we are implementing that font family. Now we are making margin and padding to 0 by default, but we can change them. What margin and padding means, let's see from here only. Yeah. Now here, this diagram, um, margin padding in CSS, images, which is the best diagram. Yeah, it is nice. See, so this is our content. In here, this is our content in blue color. Something like I will select this card so that we will see margin padding everything. So see, this is our content. Then, but you can see we also have space here. So that is padding, which is padding is a space before border. It means we want to give things space from their border. Then border which it don't have, then margin. It means some invisible space which object will cover but it won't show. So as you can see it here, this blue color is our content. Then we have padding, then we have border, which is nothing for now, and then we have margin. So this is margin and padding. And next thing is what is happening here. So display flex, I told you what is display flex. So what justify content does, justify content space between images, if I find one. Yeah, it is nice. No, it is not. It is nice. See what justify content space between is doing. It aligns items to it takes the full space that is available and align items in a particular space. As you can see, justify space content space between. So first item, then second item, then third item. If there were 4 items, then first item, second item, third item, fourth item. So it will just give automatic space to the objects, and then it will change it also. Align items center. Align items center, what it will do, it will just center the objects from the vertical line. Align content center, center. See what it will do, it will align these in a straight in the okay, I don't want items, I want items. Yeah, see, this is align item center. It will make it in center vertically. So this is align item center. Then this is, we are giving background color of black. Hashtag 000 means background color, but if you hover on here, you can give any color which you want. So this is now nav links. In nav links, what we are doing is repeating these 3 same steps. Then we are adding list style none. what list style none does, it removes that bullet, not that bullet, but I will tell you. See, if I just align these together, and now and I comment out this line, you will see that, and also comment out this background, so you will be able to see we have this bullet. So what list style none does, it removes that bullet here. And now I will do this also. So this is list style none, and now what we have is again margin. We are giving 1 rem of margin. It means one for I think diagram again, margin 1 rem. um, let's see rem is for responsiveness. It will just help in making things responsive, and most of the developers use them only instead of pixels. Now in navlink A, first of all we are giving the color of A, and then we are doing this text decoration to none. If we don't do this, what it will do, it will show us a underline beneath them. Let me show you. Okay. See, if I just remove this, you can able to see this underline below them. So what we will do is, and now transition is just for smoothness, and there are many transitions, you can explore them. See, if I remove transition, it's sudden, so I like transition, it gets smoothness. This line means navlink. What will happen that this line means our A, which is the child of navlink. See, A, which is the child of navlink. So what it will do, this line will do that on hover, it will change the color. On A hover, it means when we take our mouse or our touch A, it will change the color to this. And now brand logo. Let's come to brand logo. We are just giving it a font size and font weight, as you can see by bold, italic. There are many font weights, but best is, I think, bold in Poppins. And now brand logo A. What we are doing, color. We are giving color, text decoration, and transition. And now this is brand logo A hover. So I think I told everything. So now let's start today's video. So what we will do is, first of all, go below our navbar, and now I will type cards. So then I will make a div called container. Sorry, not container, card container. Card dash container. And now we'll make dot card dash item, one card item, and then just say some image, and yeah, it's okay. So I imported some image in a div of class card image, and then some card content, div of class card content. Then here is a h3 heading, and then paragraph. So instead of paragraph, let me change it to span. Yeah. Now let's work upon our CSS. So first what we will do is target the card container. So Control C and Control V, card container. Oops, I forgot to add dot here. Yes, now it's okay. On dot card container, we will make a display flex, and justify content space between like pole, and then I will give it some margin padding. But first of all, align item center and flex wrap. What it will do is just wrap our items and wrap our items when we change the resolution, as you can see it here. See, what flex wrap will do is, if it is something like this, it will automatically wrap it when it is required. So this is what the flex wrap does. And now we will target dot card dash item. So what dot card item will do is just width of 30%, and with is just what we have done is just given the width of 30%, and then margin and padding of 1 rem, and then for border we have given hashtag CCC. Instead we will do white smoke, and same here, white smoke. See, our content is wrapped in the card, but this image is still big. So what we will do is now target our card image, Control C, and then dot card image, and then I will give it a width of 100%, and let's see what happened. Width of 100%. Let's just give it height of something like 100 pixel. Or radius. Let's just remove this CSS. Now it's looking something like this. If we do dot card image so we need width to 100% and height to be auto, which means it will be automatically selected. And as you can see, now it looks better, and without this beautiful line, it looks very nice to me. And now let's just say we need the cart content. We need to target cart content now. So what I will do is just dot cart content, first of all h3. So we will do this, that increase our font size to 1.5 rem, and our font weight to bold, and give it a margin bottom of 101 rem. So it will give it a margin from bottom, so it will look more nice. And now dot card content p, we will give it size of 1 rem and margin bottom of 1 rem. And now dot card content span, what we will do here is this. It will make it bold and look something like this. And now below this pan we will make .btn. .btn means a button, and instead of a we will type the button, we will make a button here and make on click to blank. It will look something like this. So now let's style .btn. So what we will do .btn, what we will do is background, set background color. I think I did a mistake. Okay. Instead of this I need to write button and just remove this another button from here and here. As you can see, it looks bad to me. IDK what it looks for you. So first of all we will give it a display of block, display of block, so that it comes below, and then margin left auto, margin right auto. So it will basically give it margin, auto margin, and center it, so it looks something like this. And now what I will do is first of all, padding is okay. Remove our border none. See, and now let's do color to hashtag 000 so it looks better. Then cursor to pointer, so that when we hover on it we see that hand. And okay, button dot btn whose text should be plus, and sorry minus, and here should also another btn. Control C, control V. Here text should be plus, and we will wrap this in a button container. Dot btn dash container, here container, button container, and we will just wrap it here. Just move it a little bit. Okay, and just format this document. And now instead of doing display block to .btn, you can see it looks something like this. And it looks okay to me. But what I will do is use .btn dash container display flex, justify content space between and align items center, so that when we increase its size or change the screen size, instead of appearing inside, it appears in the center. Okay, I forgot one thing again. Flex wrap, flex wrap. So now it should be okay. As you can see it, we have a pretty good card, and now what we will do is just duplicate this card. So first of all, here is one card item. So what I will do is just duplicate it sometimes. I think I did many times. Yeah, as you can see, um, what if I just do their size? Let's check responsiveness from here. Oops, not page source. Inspect. Um, okay, so we need to give them a max width. Something like this is nice width, or let's just see what's the width, current width. Okay, let's just give max width to 300 and max height to not max height, only max width. So dot card container, no, not card container, or card item. So what we will do, max width to 300 pixel. Let's just set our max width to 300 pixel, and as you can see, there are so many cards in one row. I mean 4, but when we change this, and also min width also should be min width also should be 300. And yeah, see now, see responsive things. But min width should not be 300. It should be like something like 200, so that it gets okay. And see, we can go responsive, and it is, we made this responsive. And now what we will do is also here justify content space between. We did this, but let's try justify content center. Justify content center, what this will do, let's see. This is looking better. See, because of this, our card will look something like this, and now it looks better to me. Okay, so I will remove justify content space between, and now it should look okay. Yeah, and let's see. um and let's try some JavaScript also. No, mm, let's don't try it, because we should first know HTML, CSS. So I guess in this video I will do this only, and I guess you like the video, and hope also. If you have any problem in this, then you can ask me on my Discord or from my website, or just in comment section below. So thank you for watching, and bye.